And now, your Fox 24 Local Weather Authority forecast.
It's a beautiful start weather-wise for the first Monday of 2023. This is a live look at the tall city right now. Look at these layered clouds and the colors associated with these clouds. The sun about to rise above the horizon, and we do notice, again, the streaks in the clouds indicates a lot of turbulence in the atmosphere, indicating strong winds. Eventually, those winds will really pick up at the surface, bring in a cooler weather pattern, but before then, temperatures will be above normal. They're already above normal this morning in the 40s and 50s. As these clouds move on through, we are going to be seeing drier weather. We're starting to see that just south of El Paso, kind of moving its way in already in the western part of our viewing area. And we could be seeing some of these rain showers clip the southern and eastern part of New Mexico and parts of Eddy and Lee counties. In those areas, those winds going to pick up in earnest. A high wind warning in effect till 5 a.m. Mountain Time Wednesday morning, including the Guadalupe Mountains, the Delaware Mountains, includes you guys and Pine Springs. Make sure you guys are weather aware. Winds may gust more than 60 to 70 miles per hour. So if you guys are driving on high-profile vehicles and are going to be in shelters that are prone to those high winds, make sure you guys are weather aware. Blowing dust also may limit visibility, especially in the higher terrain. Wind advisory in effect till 6 p.m. Central Time, including Hobbs, Carlsbad, the Van Horn region, Marfa, Alpine, and also closer to the Big Bend area, including Andrews and Seminole. Does not include officially Ector and Midland counties. However, it does not mean that it won't be windy in those areas. They'll just be a little bit less breezy than the western areas of the basin. Decreasing clouds later today, despite maybe some light rain showers moving on through the northern and western areas. Rain not really amount to too much today. The big story will be the fluctuating temperatures and the big winds out there. Partly cloudy throughout the day, but again, becoming a little bit sunnier much later in the day. High temperature later this morning, early in the afternoon at 71 degrees in the tall city. Average high 58 degrees, so feeling a little bit more like October as opposed to January here in the Midland and Odessa area in terms of those temperatures. Starting off well above normal in the high 40s and lower 50s for many. Not warming up too much in western areas. Cooler and drier weather will eventually make its way through those areas, but it's going to warm up in the high 60s and lower mid 70s in many areas of the basin, even getting very close to the lower 80s in southern and eastern areas. But later this evening, cooler weather filtering its way in, overnight lows basin-wide in the 30s and 40s, brisk, and those winds dying down out of the west at 10 to 20 miles per hour, but a little bit less breezy compared to today. And just how breezy? Well, winds sustained at the west-northwest at 20 to 30 miles per hour. Those purples along the spine of the higher terrain indicate the stronger wind gusts in excess of 50 to 60 miles per hour. So make sure you guys are weather aware. We are your local weather authority. We will let you know if there are any, again, big severe weather alerts. Again, we're going to be very windy today. A little bit less breezy as we head into late tonight, tomorrow morning. Mostly clear skies. Low temperature 41 degrees, so becoming much cooler compared to what we're seeing this morning. 71 today in the tall city, 61 degrees tomorrow. Still pretty brisk on Wednesday, then warming back up with stronger winds on Thursday and Friday.